Have you ever thought about starting a faceless YouTube channel and earning passive income? In the dynamic world of content creation, faceless YouTube channels are gaining popularity like never before. Imagine being able to express yourself, share your passions, and reach millions without ever having to reveal your identity. It's not just about privacy, but also about freedom. Faceless channels provide a unique platform for those who wish to step into the limelight without actually stepping into the limelight. They offer a canvas to paint your ideas, a stage to perform your skills, and a podium to voice your thoughts, all while maintaining your anonymity. The cherry on top? It's the potential for passive income. Yes, you heard it right. A faceless YouTube channel can turn into a revenue-generating machine, providing you with a steady flow of income without the constant need for new content. If this piques your interest, stick around as we break down the process into clear, easy-to-follow steps. Now you might be wondering, where do I start? Well, the first step in creating a faceless YouTube channel is defining its purpose. Are you looking to entertain, educate, or inspire? Maybe you're aiming for a mix of all three. Understanding the purpose of your channel will guide you in creating content that resonates with your viewers. Next, identify your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests? Knowing your audience will help you tailor your content to their preferences and increase viewer engagement. Once you've defined your channel's purpose and target audience, it's time to create your YouTube account. Here's the catch. You'll want to set it up without using any personal information. This can be achieved by using a pseudonym and creating an email specifically for your YouTube channel. Remember, the aim is to remain faceless, protecting your identity while still connecting with your audience. Once you've established the purpose of your channel and set it up, you're ready for the next step. Creating content without showing your face might sound challenging, but it's easier than you think. The key lies in your ability to convey information and engage with your audience in unique ways. Voiceovers, for instance, are a powerful tool. They allow you to tell your story, share your knowledge, or commentate on a topic while retaining your anonymity. Another method to consider is the use of animations or graphics. These visual elements can make your content more dynamic and engaging, and they come in handy when explaining complex ideas or processes. Screen recordings, too, are perfect for tutorials, walkthroughs, or reviews. But remember, the heart of any successful content is its originality and creativity. Whether you're creating a fictional story, sharing insightful commentary, or teaching a new skill, bringing your unique perspective and voice to the table is what will truly set your content apart. With these strategies, you can create captivating content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Now that you have your content, how do you grow your channel and start earning passive income? The first key to growth is understanding the power of search engine optimization, or SEO for short. This is all about making your videos discoverable. When you upload a video, make sure you're using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. Think about what your potential viewers might type into the search bar. Your aim is to make your video the answer to their queries. Another vital aspect is regular posting. Consistency is king on YouTube. The more frequently you post, the more likely you are to get noticed by the algorithm, which in turn will recommend your videos to more viewers. Try to establish a posting schedule that works for you and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or once a month, consistency will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Engaging with your audience is also crucial. Respond to comments on your videos, ask for feedback, and create a community around your content. This not only helps to increase viewer loyalty, but also signals to YouTube that your channel is active and valuable. Now let's talk about earning passive income. The most straightforward way to monetize your YouTube channel is through ads. Once you reach the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. Sponsorships and affiliate marketing are other great ways to earn income. With sponsorships, companies pay you to promote their products in your videos. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, involves promoting a product and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique link. By applying these strategies, you can grow your channel, attract more viewers, and start earning passive income. Remember, the first step is to start. Good luck on your YouTube journey. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more guides and tips on how to start and grow your faceless YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you know anyone who might be interested in starting their own faceless YouTube channel, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Remember, The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step could be as simple as sharing this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.